If you're seeing no signal error on the HDMI ports of your LG NanoCell TV and you can't see anything on the TV screen, it's all blank, then I'll show you some troubleshooting that will help you fix any HDMI related issues on your LG WebOS TV. The first and very basic thing that we'll check is that if we have selected the correct input. You can check that easily by pressing on the input button on your LG Magic Remote. Now after pressing the source button, if you don't see your source here, then it's probably not connected properly. So make sure that the device is connected to the power properly and the HDMI cable is not damaged and plugged in properly. If your cable is damaged, then you can try a different HDMI cable and see if that works. You can also try plugging it into a different port and see if that fixes the issue. And another thing that's also equally important is selecting the correct HDMI port on the device that you have connected to your TV. In our case, you can see that we haven't plugged our HDMI cable to the TV output, and that's why we are not getting any display. So we'll just plug it into the correct port, and now you can see that our no signal problem is fixed. If your TV still doesn't detect the device, then the next thing we'll do is cold boot our TV and restart the external device. To cold boot our TV, we will simply turn it off and unplug it from the power. Keep it like that for about 10 minutes and then plug it back in and power it on. Also do the same thing with the other device and this should fix the issue. If the device you have connected to your TV still isn't working and your TV can't detect it and you're getting no signal, then you can check the device using another display if that's available, cause the device itself may be damaged and that's why you're not getting any signal. Hopefully after going through this troubleshooting, you're able to see the device that's connected via HDMI to your TV. Do leave your feedback down below and I'll see you around.